Imagine this. Emma receives a text from her best friend, but that friend died 3 years ago. The message reads, "I need your help." What happens next will challenge everything she knows about life and death. Emma and Lisa had been best friends since they were kids. They shared endless laughs, whispered secrets under starry skies, and dreamed big about their futures. But 3 years ago, tragedy struck. Lisa was killed in a devastating car accident. Emma's world shattered into pieces. She couldn't eat, sleep, or even smile. One quiet evening, Emma was curled up on her couch, lost in memories. Suddenly, her phone buzzed on the coffee table. She glanced at the screen, and her blood ran cold. It was a text from Lisa's old number, the one she'd never deleted. The message simply said, "Emma, I need your help. Meet me at our special place. Tonight at 9 p.m. Emma's hands trembled as she read it again. This has to be a cruel prank, she thought. But deep down, a flicker of impossible hope ignited in her heart. Our special place was their favorite old park bench by the shimmering lake, where they'd spent countless summer nights talking about everything and nothing. Emma arrived early, at 8:55 p.m. The park was shrouded in darkness, the air thick with fog, and every rustle in the trees made her jump. She sat on the weathered bench, her breath visible in the chilly night air. She waited, heart pounding. At exactly 9 p.m., soft footsteps echoed behind her. Emma whipped around, nothing, just shadows dancing in the moonlight. Then, her eyes caught something glinting on the bench beside her. A small, wrapped box, tied with a familiar ribbon. With trembling fingers, Emma untied it. Inside was a handwritten letter, in Lisa's unmistakable cursive script. As she read, tears blurred the words. Asterisk, Dear Emma, if you're holding this, it means I'm truly gone. Before the accident, I asked my cousin to send that message from my old phone and leave this box here. On this exact night, 3 years later. I need your help, Em. Not from beyond the grave, but from the life we shared. Live fully for both of us. Don't let grief chain you down. Chase those dreams we talked about. Laugh loud. Love fiercely. Be happy. That's the best way to honor me. Forever your bestie, Lisa. Asterisk, Emma sobbed. But for the first time in years, they were tears of release. It wasn't a ghost. It was Lisa's love, bridging the gap across time. Let's break down 3 key words from today's story to boost your English. I'll say them slowly. Repeat after me. Froze. To suddenly stop moving because of shock or fear. Example. I froze in terror when the door creaked open at midnight. Cruel. Extremely unkind or causing unnecessary pain. Example. Spreading rumors about a friend is a cruel thing to do. Instructions. Clear steps or directions on how to do something. Example. The recipe's instructions were easy to follow, step by step. Try this. Pause the video and make your own sentence with one of these words. Share it in the comments. I'd love to see. Quick quiz to test your listening. What did Emma discover on the park bench? A. Lisa's old phone. B. A small box containing a heartfelt letter. C. A faded photograph. Drop your answer in the comments below. It's B. By the way, great job if you got it. And hey, share with us. Have you ever gotten a surprising message from someone special? It could be funny, sweet, or mysterious. Tell me. Thanks for joining this touching English story. Stories like Emma and Lisa's remind us that love endures. If this helped you learn new words or feel a little inspired, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more. Your likes, comments, and shares make all the difference. A fresh story drops next Saturday. Stay tuned. Until then, keep learning, keep dreaming, and always choose joy. See you soon.